everybody, I'm Arvish Ali Khwaja, son of Safdar Ali Khwaja from Paragon Academy in advanced level.
Hi everybody, I am Asad Samu from Paragon Academy Badin in advanced level.
So today we about a human's rights. So we have Mr. Asad Samu, and I suggest to what's human rights in Pakistan.
Yes, we have got many human rights such as education. Education is also human rights. It is responsibility of government to provide a quality of education to students and also.
Samu, why I have a question to you.
Yes.
Why are Pakistani people going to a private school? Why are not going to school in a government?
Yes, dear, because also government schools are very good, not bad, are very good because in government schools students did not pay the fees. This is very common reason students are not coming regularly. So students are not coming regularly and punctual. That's why teachers are not coming regularly. And it is a common question why the government teachers are go to private in private sectors. We can see most of government teachers are teaching the private sector. That's why because the government students are not coming regularly in the school, and because they do not pay the fees. In private sector, you pay the fees.
Education is a point is a complete, and second main point is the health. So why are not given proper health departments in because the human rights the basic point is the health.
So Khwaja, I ask a question: why the patients are go to in private hospital? Why they will no go to in government hospital?
Available to a 24 hours to a doctors, and you see private sectors have a 24 available doctors and giving a good treatment because the some is going to a government hospital but he cannot save in his life because doctors have no in 24 hours people he cannot give in a treatment in a good way, and private he cannot afford a private sector, so he going to a government hospital and he cannot save his life. So this reason, but some is afford in a private sector, so he going to a private and he cannot want to going to a government. He has also has no good treatment, they have no clean area, no clean environment, and he only say they have no doctors, you can drink wait. So this reason that you see a third, so they have day by day they all people's youngster people's will be die in a one day, they have a 13th death in the one day because reason they have many diseases he strike her life, so he cannot they have no government sectors have a trade, so he cannot saving his life. Thank
Thank
you
you
to
very much to watch
watch
our
a
video.
video.